Thank God it's a Friday. Ito po ang September 3 edition ng The Stock Market Today. 113 days na lang. Pasko na. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chidoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007 at ginagawa ko po itong araw-araw. Sinimula ko po ito August of last year din. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang financial news po natin ay mula sa Mega World. Kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, ika-3 ng Setyembre 2021. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's start with Mega World, or the financial headlines rather. So, financial headlines po natin ay courtesy of BDO Securities. Lakihan lang natin ng konti. BSP keeps rates at record lows, but PH recovery needs financial boost. The second is granular lockdowns bring upside potential to recovery. Delta poses risk to construction rebound. And on our sectoral news, AGI to proceed with its casino project in Boracay, New Coast. And ERC completes investigation into 8 power generation firms. And lastly, commercial property index to help ensure financial stability. And from the Business Mirror, AC Energy's 400 million green bond offering gets strong demand. And finally, this is our financial headline. From the business world, Mega World leases out 415,000 square meter office space since pandemic struck. TAN-led Mega World Corp said it leased out 415 square meters of office space since the pandemic began last year, which were mostly booked by information technology and business process outsourcing firms. Some 60% of the lease contracts booked since last year were renewals, while 50% accounted for new leases. Megaworld said new leases and renewals were recorded in Eastwood City, McKinley Hill, Uptown Bonifacio, Cebu-based the Mactan Newtown, Southwood City in Binyan in Laguna, and Davao Park District in Davao City in the first 6 months of this year. Around 80% of these leases in the first half of the year are renewals. This means BPO companies opted to stay and held on to their spaces. Megaworld Chief Strategy Officer Kevin Andrew Eltan said in a statement on Thursday. This also clearly indicates the strength and resilience of the office market within our pioneering townships, he said, adding that the township model plays to the company's advantage. Megaworld said it fully leased its Southwoods office towers based in its 561-hectare Southwood City earlier this year as an American renewable energy company and a BPO firm specializing in customer care solutions leased out the remaining spaces. So that's our news for the day. And now let's take a look at the happenings in the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index in this profit-taking Friday. Okay, the PSE gained 62.47 points to finish at 6897.13. That's 0.91% up. And if you'll see, yung ating candlestick, green candlestick po siya, no? In spite of a Friday being a profit-taking day, ay green candlestick po ang ating PSE index. Samantala naman, yung ating market activity, 102 companies declined, 104 advanced, while 39 remained unchanged. The all-share index also gained 0.70%, while most of our sectoral indices were in the green, led by the holding companies at 2.29%. Only the mining and services were in the red. As for our most active stocks, we will be reviewing the following. Tingnan natin si MEG, si ACEN, AGI, AP, FGEN, SEC, Emperador, and TEL. Okay po, so let's now start with Megaworld. Okay, Megaworld ended in the red, losing 3 centavos, so it's bearish to sideways, with RSI bearish on the bearish side at 45. In the meantime, the support area is here at 273. When I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. Tapos tingnan naman natin si ACEN. Yan po. Short green candlestick lang po, pero napaka-bullish po ng ating trend, yung ating indicators, as our indicators are all under the candlestick, with RSI nearing the overbought levels at 67, and ACEN reached a new 52-week high today at 1016, but it ended at 998. Ano po? So, yung nearest support niya ay nandito po sa 938. Okay? Tapos si AGI. Okay, AGI ended with a green candlestick. However, our indicators are under the candlestick, which would indicate a bullish movement with RSI bullish at 60. Pero kung titingnan, if we will draw a Darvas box, dito lang po siya naglalaro. Yan po. The upper border, which will form our resistance, is at 1068, while the lower border is at 1014. And then, Aboitiz Power. Okay, Aboitiz Power ay diretso pa rin pataas, but it had a red candlestick today, losing 20 centavos. Pero bullish pa rin po siya with RSI overbought at 79. So, maaring nagko-consolidate lang po siya dito. Pero please take note, RSI is overbought at 79, meaning that anytime soon, the stock may reverse its trend. And then FGEN. Ngayon, si FGEN naman ay ended with a nandito pala sa taas, hindi ko kagad nakakita. It's a red candlestick, although it's a short red candlestick, and for several days it has been up, no? And this is because of a news item in which there is an investor which had an offer price of 32 pesos, I think, no? Tingnan natin dito. Yung news item niya relates to an investor kasi. So, sabi niya dito, wala si attached. So, may voluntary suspension niya. Well, I think it's yun nga yun, ano? Yung offer price ni FGEN ay 32 pesos. Or, the investor is offering to buy the share on FGEN at 32 pesos. Which is a premium over its current stock market price. Kaya pina-price in na po ng ating market. Kaya po nandito po, no? Nakikita nyo parang isolated siya dito. Tingnan natin dito yung material transactions 3 days ago. Please see attached din So hindi natin makita dito. Pero nag-voluntary suspension siya. May tender offer kasi yung isang investor. Or investor that is, I think, buying or selling the stock, no, of FGEN. Anyway, the support level, nearest support ay nandito po sa area to. Nasa 29.50 to 29.60. While the resistance level ay nasa taas po. Nandito po siya sa 32. And then SEC, okay, SEC had a red candlestick pero bullish pa rin po based on our indicators. Bullish pa rin po yung stock. RSI is bullish at 61. And yung ating support level, I think it's holding support here at the EMA 50 at 16, ano? And I think this is the 52-week high already, yung 1828 na na-achieve kanina. So, yan lang po masasabi ko for FGEN. It is bullish with RSI at 61, almost 62. And then Emperador, yan. Emperador is also bullish, 1706, gaining 82 centavos. As our indicators are under the candlestick, RSI is also bullish at 66. Again, if we will be drawing a Darvas box, dito lang po siya naglalaro on the short term, no? With our support level at 1514 and resistance level at 1706. Then finally, we have TEL. TEL nag-profit taking din today. Yeah, nag-profit taking siya at 1475, ano? Losing 57 centavos. Yesterday, it had a high of 1545. So, nagsettle ngayon at 1475 with RSI bullish at 70, but it's overbought already. Pagka over 70 po ang RSI ay overbought po ang stock. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market on a profit-taking Friday, September 3, 2021. This is Benji Chadoro reminding you, mag-ingat sa COVID, mag-ingat sa scam. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at pag-subscribe. Happy weekend, God bless, and bye for now.